Hello, my name is Juan Manuel Contreras from 11C, and today we're gonna explain this exercise that says at 20 Celsius degrees an aluminum ring have an interior diameter of 5 centimeters and a bar of brass have a diameter of 5.050 centimeters. At what temperature should be the ring heated up so it can slide over the bar? So in this exercise we need to know at what temperature the ring grow the necessary to be able to slide through the bar. We know that that exactly diameter is 5.050. This is a superficial expression, so we need to use this formula. Okay, the first thing that we need to do is to find what we need to know. So we need a temperature, and in this case we need to find the change of temperature. We need to pass to the other side to divide the area and the coefficient. So finally we will get that the change of temperature is equal to the change of area divide the initial area per the coefficient. The first thing that we need to do is to know the areas of the ring and of the bar. So we need to divide the diameter in two and apply the formula of the area of a square, that is p radius square, p per radius square. So in this case the first area is 19.60 and the second 63 and the second one is 20.03. Okay, now we only have to replace and apply the math. So the change of area is 0.4 because it's the change of area between the ring and the bar. Then we need the area, the initial area, that is 19.63 per the coefficient that is multiplying by 2 because this is a superficial expansion. We do the math and finally we get that the change of temperature is equal to 424.62 Celsius degrees. But this is only the change. We need to add the initial temperature to get the final. That is the one of the exercise. So now we get that the final exercise, the final temperature is 444.62 Celsius degrees. At this temperature, the ring will grow and will have a diameter of 5.050 and will be able to pass through the bar.